We're here at Biotech Showcase today in San Francisco, and I have the pleasure of speaking with Sofie Vandevyver, Head of Business Operations and Marketing at Barc Lab. Hello, Sofie.
Hello, Carrie.
Thank you for being with us.
It's a pleasure.
Could you tell us a little bit about Barc Lab and your mission?
Sure. So Barc Lab is a central laboratory which has been founded 35 years ago in Europe. Today we have 6 offices throughout the world with over 600 employees. Our client base comprises pharmaceutical companies and biotech companies, but also non-governmental organizations, for example. As a central laboratory, we offer central lab testing, but also sample management, project management and data management, and the entire logistics that is required in clinical trials. It is our mission to help our customers succeed in their quests and to allow them to focus on what matters most for them, which is improving the life of patients and the quality of life.
So what would you say are the key differentiators that Barc Lab offers and how you are different from your competitors?
There's a couple I would like to highlight here. So in first instance, we have the scientific expertise. So at Barc Lab, we have a whole network of scientific experts that are very dedicated and delighted to have in-depth scientific discussions with our clients. They do this from already early on in the development of a drug through phase 2 and 3 trials. We realize that every patient is unique and we are eager to help our customers find the right therapy for the right patient within the right indication. So we have the scientific expertise on one side. So on top of that, we are surrounded by a very dedicated team of people that are ready to go the extra mile to provide the best possible services for our customers. We realize that there is no one-size-fits-all, that every client is unique. So we really provide a high level of flexibility that our customers really like and that the competition cannot always offer. So there's the scientific expertise, there's the flexibility, and we have a very personalized approach because we really believe that every client is unique to us. And there's a last one that I would like to highlight, which is actually our African footprint. So Barc Lab is in fact part of a larger group, the Cerba Healthcare Group, which is a leader in Europe. And recently we have gone into an alliance with the Lancet Laboratories, which are a leader in Africa. So together, Cerba and Lancet, we cover almost 25 countries in Africa. So considering that, and considering the fact that African population accounts for nearly 20% of the global population, we really believe that Africa is offering a very high potential in the emerging field of clinical trials. So that is an extra that we really want to offer to our clients.
Thank you for outlining that so clearly. Definitely sounds very interesting. And what would you say is the future vision for Barc Lab?
So what we really want for our customers is to make their lives as easy as possible. We want to be that one-stop shop to which clients come to. They have full trust in the fact that we take care of all the central lab activities and they can focus on what they do best, which is finding the treatments for their patients. So to do that, we really want to offer a full portfolio of laboratory testing on a true global scale. That's where we want to go.
And how do you hope to achieve this?
That's a good question. So how we want to achieve that is, first of all, we need to acknowledge the fact that we cannot implement all the testing within our own laboratories. So we really seek innovative partners that are experts in the field, that we work closely together with, that they share our vision, they share our values, they care about our customers as much as we do, and we really are dedicated to offer an integrated approach and an integrated offer of all testing to our customers. So that's on one side the portfolio, and we want to do this on a full global scale.
So talking about the global footprint, where do you see Barc Lab growing?
So at the moment, where we are today is we are very strong in US, in Europe, in Africa, and also in China. So we also have some capabilities in the Asia-Pacific region, such as Australia, Japan, and Singapore, but we want to grow stronger there. So we are currently establishing some new partnerships and acquiring some new labs in the Asia-Pacific region. So that's on one side. And then this year we will also start exploring Latin America and India. So all in all, we really believe that within here and 2 years we will have a full global coverage with local capabilities, because sometimes you need to have local capabilities if you have tests that need to be tested within a very short time frame.
So with that in mind, what will be your main focuses in the near future?
I've already talked about expansion and having a full portfolio. The next thing that we are going to focus on in the near future is digitalization and having access to patient data. So we are going to apply artificial intelligence platforms. So we are also collaborating with a lot of partners to do so. And there's two reasons why we want to head into that direction of artificial intelligence. One is improving the efficiency and the effectiveness of our own operations to provide a better quality to our clients. Secondly, we want to provide added value to our clients by, for example, if they want to know where can I find a certain population with a certain indication, we want to be able to provide that answer to their clients to ease their lives in the search for the good sites. So we have expansion, we have the full portfolio in lab testing, and we want to apply artificial intelligence. So very exciting, good time, so looking forward to it.
Sofie, so what makes you so passionate about what you do at Barc Lab?
So I think that we are very lucky to have witnessed a shift within the industry towards personalized medicine. And why is that? Because a personalized approach is really the strength at Barc Lab. I think we have all experienced the losses in our families or within friends or even some colleagues. And the reason why I go to work inspired every single day is because I know that I play a role in finding cures for patients. And it's really fulfilling for me to know that I work within a team that shares the same beliefs, and it makes Barc Lab the company it is today.
In closing, in one sentence, why Barc Lab?
So Barc Lab is a central lab with a big heart that wants to be a genuine partner for our customers, for our employees, and our partner labs, because we care.
It's a really great answer. And it sounds like you have a lot of exciting things going on and really a lot of value to offer. So if somebody is interested in partnering with you, where can they find you?
They can just go to our website, barclab.com, and they can get to the Get in Touch page, and they can get in touch with us like that.
Thank you so much, Sofie.
You're welcome.